Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign out of Whop. If you're finished using your account or you're on a shared device and want to make sure your session is securely closed, signing out only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and show you exactly where to go. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're fully signed in and can see the main home feed. This is the starting point for accessing your account options. If the page takes a few seconds to load, just wait until everything is visible before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile account area there. Click on your profile icon or account section to open the account menu. This menu contains personal account actions and settings, including the option to sign out. If you don't immediately notice it, scan the upper right area carefully, since that's where profile controls are typically placed on the Whop interface. After the account menu opens, look for the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out to log out of your Whop account. Once selected, your session will end and you'll be signed out of the platform. After signing out, it's a good idea to confirm that the logout was successful. In most cases, you'll be redirected away from your account or asked to sign in again if you try to access member-only areas. That's a helpful way to know the sign-out process worked correctly. If you're using a public or shared computer, make sure you fully complete this step before leaving the page. Signing out helps protect your account and keeps your information private. If needed, you can also close the browser tab afterward for extra peace of mind. That's all there is to it. As a quick recap, you start on the Whop homepage, click your profile account in the top right corner, and then choose Sign Out. It's a very quick process, but it's an important habit for account security, especially when using devices that other people can access. Thanks for following along. This is how to sign out of Whop.